Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet with me, where you follow along with the project that I'm doing, and that project is my boy from over the garden wall to go with my Greg cosplay. So Comic-Con in May 2025. I am going as Greg on the Sunday, and my friend is going as what's his name? The brother. What? Yeah. And then the two other people that I'm going with are going as other people from it as well. But yeah, so I'm really excited because the cosplay's almost done and I'm gonna have the teddy, so yeah, let's go. So this pattern is working up really quickly and really easily, and I'm liking it so far. I definitely recommend this artist. Don't worry, I will link it down below. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting pipe cleaners in the arms and the legs so it could be a little bit posable, as I am going to be carrying him around for my cosplay. So let me know what you think. Would you put pipe cleaners in him? So I am this far, and I'm definitely going to have to sew on some of the, embroider on some of the details, because it's just not, it's meant to be like that. Or is it triangly? But it's kind of, or zigzaggy, it's kind of not. So I'm definitely going to have to sew some of that detail on. But it's fine because it's looking okay. And he's going to be big. But I'm really hoping he does look at least good and like the frog. So we'll see. But this is how far I've got so far. So turns out it was zigzagging, so I'm very happy with how this is turning out. I did put pipe cleaners in the arms and in the legs, so now the arms have been sewn on and I've just got to carry on going around, and then his body is almost complete. Here's how he's looking so far. I'm very glad that this did actually work out in the end, because I thought it wasn't, but it did, so it all good. His legs can hold a little position because they do have pipe cleaners in them. His arms also have pipe cleaners in them, so they can hold a little bit as well. And here's his face. Sorry, the sun. And I need to sew on his eyes. I just need to figure out the placement because I don't know if I'm happy with this placement yet. But here he is. And I'm very happy with him. And he's very soft. And I'm happy with how big he's come out as well, so he'll be easy to see, and I think people will like him, so yeah, I'm really tempted to make him an outfit as well. We will see. But here he is, so far. I'm also going to give him butt cheeks, because that's funny, and I'm a child. But my friends also said I should, so I'm not the only child here. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to place the eyes. I think we're good to go. So let's have a quick chat while I sew this man's eyeballs to his head. Yeah, so I haven't uploaded for, let me have a look, a month. And it will be a month and a week when this video is actually posted, when you're watching this. And that is because I have had a lot going on. I have a course every Thursday now, and that takes up my entire Thursday, so I lose a day for crocheting and recording and stuff. And then every other week, I only have Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday to film, and then every other week opposite that one, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday to film. So it's been a bit of a struggle trying to balance everything. So I am cutting back my upload schedule to twice a month, so every other week, and hopefully that will be okay. I'd rather put out better videos than rushed ones on certain weeks because I only have 3 days to film, and it's leading to burnout, having to force myself to film everything. But yes, I'm getting there, and I'm slowly working on my pride stock and everything as well. But yeah, I don't think I've uploaded since this has happened, but I have a website and it is linked down below, so please go check it out. I will have physical products on there and my PDFs for crochet patterns and stuff, as well as a blog, so definitely check it out. Let me know what you think. International shipping is on, other than to the EU. So if you're anywhere but the EU, you can purchase. If you can't for some reason, let me know. But I also have a commission sheet thing on there as well that you can fill out and send to me if you want to commission me. So yes, I'm very excited to let you all know that, so please definitely check it out, and thank you. He's finished. Let's reveal him. I don't know why I said that so dramatically, but yeah, let's go. So he is now complete, and I just sat on my Pokemon Go ball thing. Go Pokemon Ball, Pokeball Plus. Anyway, so if you hear random vibrating, it is this. But yeah, here he is. He is finished and thick. Yes. If you want this pattern, I'll link it down below because it's a great pattern. This artist does great patterns and great work. So yeah, I'm very happy with how he's turned out, and I can't wait to take a bunch of videos and cosplay pictures with him in May, and hopefully there'll be a Comic-Con vlog. Uncertain yet, but yeah, we will see. Thank you for watching. Please like... I thought someone was behind me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Check out my website, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye!